welcome you everyone for the 11th PSME Luzon Regional Conference. Thank you very much po.
Hands up in the sky, take you on a ride, love to feel the high, we can start again.
Through this conference, we aim to empower our professionals, engage the youth, strengthen collaborations across sectors, and ignite the passion of ingenuity and defines us engineers. On behalf of my organizing committees and PSME Luzon Cluster, I thank you for your presence, your participation, and your continued commitment to excellence. Mabuhay ang PSME! Mabuhay ang inhinyerong mekanikal! Maraming salamat and may we all have successful and inspiring conference. Thank you.
Baby, right here and now, hey, nothing could be better. So high up in the clouds.
And to our distinguished guests, our participants, our MEs within our region, in our Luzon region. Thank you and mabuhay ang PSME!
Roller coaster.
To our fellow mechanical engineers here in Luzon and beyond, remember each time we install a system, design a solution, or maintain a facility that serves a tourism destination, we are not just doing engineering. We are empowering livelihoods. We are enabling culture. We are engineering a brighter image for our country. Together, let us power Philippine tourism the mechanical engineering way.
We take it down, oh, oh. Let's spice it up, baby, right here and now, hey, nothing could be better, so high up in the clouds.
To all our participants, may this conference inspire fresh ideas, new collaborations, and renewed purpose. Let Puerto Princesa's beauty remind us of what we're working for. Communities that thrive, industries that grow responsibly, and a future where engineering and nature coexist in harmony. Together, let's continue to power not just systems, but also progress, pride, and purpose. With this, mabuhay po ang PSME, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Maraming salamat po.
To inspire and collaborate and drive meaningful progress, not just within our profession, but in support of national development. As key contributors from our respective regions, your insights, especially from Palawan, experience and leadership will make the convention even more impactful. Join us in making the 73rd PSME National Convention a defining moment for innovation, excellence, and sustainable growth. Looking forward to your presence in October. Thank you.
Our country needs more than just your technical skills. It needs your vision. Every successful entrepreneur was once someone who dared to think differently and act boldly. Your engineering mindset, analytical, creative, and relentlessness is your great asset. So dream big, start small, but act now. To our mechanical engineers, your technical knowledge is powerful. Just add a little business courage and you won't just build machines, you'll build the future. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
To our new engineers and plant mechanics, congratulations! Today marks the beginning of your journey as licensed professionals. May you serve with excellence, integrity, and pride. Once again, welcome and mabuhay.
So, thank you sa lahat, sa ating honorable, sa ating national president na pumunta pa po dito. And to make this possible, thank you. Palawan Chapter will be more proud and welcome nangyari po ito dito sa Palawan. So, okay, mabuhay ang PSME! Okay, so thank you and have a pleasant afternoon sa ating lahat.
Congratulations to each and every one of you. May you wear your title as mechanical engineers with pride, and may you continue to inspire those who follow in your footsteps.
Yeah!